Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this quick video, we're going to talk with you about a weird situation that you might have faced while searching anything in Windows. The Windows default search engine is very slow. Sometimes it happens when you have, lot of document available in your system. The Windows search system take long time. Despite we have seen that we saw that the recently Microsoft have released their latest version, which is Windows 11. We didn't saw huge improvement in terms of searching file. The Windows still use old legacy search system, which make search really terrible and really slow. So how we can fix it, how we can make our Windows search system as fast as just like in Macintosh, or maybe just like in Linux or even Android. These all operating system has much faster search system when compared to Windows. So in this video, we're going to talk with you about a very small freeware or small software that will improve the search capability or search experience in your beloved Windows operating system, maybe 50 times or 100 times. Yes, you heard it right, it is quite possible. So without ado, let me quickly show you how you can. So let's get started. Okay, so now we are in our system. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open the browser. So let's open Microsoft Edge since this browser comes pre-installed. Now here I will type void tools. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to click here on download. And don't worry guys, I will also provide you direct link in the description of this video so that you can directly reach to this page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this file, which is of just 1842 KB. So let me just click on this x64. That's how guys we can easily download it in few seconds. Now let me click on open, and now we can see the quick installing wizard got started, and just click on next, and that's how we can install it in few seconds. And it will appear like this when you open it for first time. And now let me find this program, which is known as everything. So let me type here everything, and here we go. Just click on it, and now this is the way how this program look. So you can customize the view based on the type you want to see the document. And here now you can perform any search. Let's say I want to search for this DaVinci Resolve PDF. So I will quickly show you how fast it is. Like, it is pretty fast. You can see how easy it was able to find the document. And here you also have an option to filter your search. For example, I was looking for a document, so you can filter out your result so that you can easily find what you are looking for. If let's say you do not have this filter option, then go to view and click on this option which says filter. Okay, you also have a preview option. With the help of home, you can preview your content. So this make this tool pretty powerful. Now let me try to search the same file in Microsoft stock search bar. So this is Microsoft stock search bar. Now let me type DaVinci here, and now I will hit OK. And here you go guys, here we can see the Microsoft stock search bar have started searching this document, which is DaVinci Resolve, and it will keep on going and going. I believe it will take at least 2 or 3 minutes to complete it. Okay, so this is the traditional time that Microsoft search bar generally take. However, in case of search everything, it is damn fast. It rarely take any time to search. At the same instant when you type the name or the phrase of the file that you are looking for. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any kind of questions, doubt, then please do let us know in comment down below, and we will try to respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, take care and bye bye.